C1 Holding. One partner, all solutions. We're here to keep your trucking business running smoothly with services built for your success. Looking for top quality trucks and trailers? C1 Truck Sales offers a wide selection of new and used units, ready for the road. Need a rental that works for you? We provide short-term and long-term rental options to keep your business moving. Truck trouble? Let us handle it. Whether it's a quick fix or a more complex repair, C1 Truck Service is here to get you back on the road fast. Stay safe and get the job done right with Amulet tires and top cargo securement equipment, built for durability and performance. C1 Holding. Everything your trucking business needs in one place. Give us a call at 224-567-2241 or check us out on Facebook for the latest details and updates. C1 Holding. One partner, all solutions.